Yes, man. What's poppin' YouTube? What's poppin' Guala Gang? What's poppin' Low Life Gang? It's your boy Guala Do. And today is Whip It Up Wednesday, motherfucker. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm finna be cooking Takis fried chicken. Okay, first things first. You get your Takis. Thoroughly crush the bag. I'm talking about crush them till they are dust. Hush, hush. Crunch, crunch. Crunch, crunch. Yeah, you see Takis Nitro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hush, hush. Hush, hush. Hush, hush. Hush, hush. Hushy, tashy. Hushy, tashy. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Crunchity, crunchy, crunchy. Hush, hush. Crunch. Yeah, what's up, nigga? Hey, nigga. Yeah, you feel me? Yeah, Nick Cannon, motherfucker. Drumline, motherfucker. Hey, man. Fuck, nigga. Fuck, nigga. Hey, nigga. Nigga, fuck, yeah, nigga, what? Feel me? Crush the bag to, yeah, nigga, elbow, fuck, nigga, elbow, fuck wrong with you, yeah, crush the bag to his, just straight dust type shit, you hear me? You did, yes, sir, crunch, 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 crunchy, 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 crunchy. Then you want to take them and pour them into a bowl. Yes, sir. Yep. Yep. Bowls of cure. I mean, it's a couple pieces I had to take out, you know what I'm saying? Re-crunch. You know what I'm saying? I think it's best if you put them in a blender. But, hey, fuck it. Thug it. You know what I'm saying? Remove the little big pieces, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Bloop, 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 bloop. I put them back in the bag, motherfucker, yes, sir, and went back to town on them, motherfucker. Yeah, the little excess pieces. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get them back in there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nigga, hurry up. Damn.
Being honest, we having our way for real. Got hundreds on hundreds, and they riding our way for real. My cup, I'ma fill it up with codeine. Thinking way back, this shit was a dream. Chasing that money, I think I'm a fiend. Big gold drip with the
Cause you know I told the nigga.
Yeah.
You know I add this bitch out.
Video, bro. Look, the subscribers, they watching.
Oh shit. Hey, like I was saying, man, crack a couple eggs, you did, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Crack a couple eggs, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. You know what I'm saying? I cracked 5 in particular. I'm sorry, excuse me. I cracked 5 eggs in particular. You know what I'm saying? You want to get that little fork, whip, hit the sides, then you know what I'm saying? You want to get the, you know what I'm saying? You want to get you a little bowl. You know what I'm saying? But I got me a pot to put the flour in. You know what I'm saying? Put the flour. You know, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. I think it's best that you season your chicken before, well, instead of seasoning the flour. But me, I seasoned the flour, and it turned out, you know what I'm saying, a couple pieces was a little, yeah. Other pieces was, yeah. You did, you know what I'm saying? But I seasoned the flour instead of seasoning the chicken. But either way. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? I got some of that Lowry's, Mike Lowry. You know what I'm saying? You know, spring. You know what I'm saying? Then I went to my, you know what I'm saying? You did. Then I got that. Then I got that. Damn, Tony Muff. You did, yes sir, yes sir. Spring. You did. Then I went and got that garlic motherfucker, that garlic salt motherfucker. You did. Garlics, yeah, you did. You know what I'm saying? You could know what I'm saying. You could use any of your seasoning, but this is just my household old seasoning. You know what I'm saying? We got from back in the day, old recipe. You know what I'm saying? Sweet, little salt. You know what I'm saying? That's what y'all like. Throw the most sweet, little more extra salt. That's how y'all do the next sweet. You know what I'm saying? Then you know what I'm saying? I got a little spoon. You know what I'm saying? You want to mix that all together. You dig? Go ahead. Ooh, that's a good technique. You know what I'm saying? Straight to the side. You dig, you know what I'm saying? Then, after that, you dig. After that all mixed. Like I said, man, I think you should season your chicken before and just season them regular and put the flour second after you season them. But to each his own. You dig. So, you get the chicken. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got that chicken motherfucker, yes sir. Chicken motherfucker, yes sir. You wanna put that motherfucker in the flour. I'm sorry. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Flour. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you get it evenly coated on all sides. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, you see that? Ooh, yes, sir. Then, Nick. Okay, yeah, you see that? See, you know what I'm saying? Then you want, you know what I'm saying, season all, you know what I'm saying, and the little excess flour, you know what I'm saying? Then that's when you want to take it on an egg wash, motherfucker. You want to get your eggs, you know, one you just whipped up, your skirt, you just hit the side. You want to dip that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Make sure that get evenly coated also, you know what I'm saying, so that them chips can stick. It can just hug the meat. It just hug the meat. Saying, then you want to dip that, man, Takis. You did, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Make sure you get it evenly coated, you know what I'm saying? Take something, put it on top, you know. Spring. You know what I'm saying? Get a little evenly coated on all sides, man. Take your time with this, man. It's best if you put the Takis in a blender because it makes it more of a dust powder form, so it's easier to put on the chicken. But we thugging. You did? You know what I'm saying? You want to get that evenly coated on each side. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mm-hmm. You don't get you. Yes, sir. 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 You know what I'm saying? Get that evenly coated, man. You know what I'm saying? I was trying my hardest, but it was hard to stick. You did? It's hard to stick, motherfucker. Get that evenly coated. Nigga, hurry up.
Get no doty, I fucked up there, acting like they ain't even know me. Selling gas bags with the Brody. Call him a jewel, tell wife to cook me up and roll it. I was getting guala being low key. Know a lot of niggas wanna smoke me, I ain't doing no joking. Pull up in your bitch and I poke her. Car got dope, had to look at them bitches like
Poker and oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. You did, so you know what I'm saying? Cut your grease up, you know what I'm saying? To about 4, 5, you know what I'm saying?
tryna get it, guap, gotta stay down. I was in the trap, serving junkies, yeah, nigga come play around. If you got a boat, nigga, hold up. Hand a whole lot of toys out to the game like a playground. Run to the guala, yeah, daily. If you owe me, then nigga come pay me. Whip a nigga ass up like slavery. Round in the low key with no AC. That was back then. Now young niggas when they got them racks in. Flew out of Cali, then I got them packs in. Never lacking, pull up on the gang, everybody got it back in. Fucking from the backpack, keep it tracks in. Pull up in the all black coupe like Batman. How you say you getting money? I ain't seen shit yet. Say you getting cheese, nigga. What the fuck them
I'm
bricks
being
in?
honest. I be mobbing with the bros. Yeah, we want all smoke.